Fall is officially here. Let the pumpkin angels rejoice. I'm so thrilled that my gal pal Natalie is here today.
Hello.
Not only is she beautiful and talented, she's a blogger, but she is a floral genius.
Thanks.
She can make a masterpiece out of nothing.
I really hope I can deliver today.
You're going to. And that brings me to the next thing, is that we are gonna make an amazing floral pumpkin centerpiece.
Yep.
No mess. That
pumpkin. No mess. A little bit about this floral pumpkin. I love this method because, you know, traditionally you'll cut a hole, gut everything out, bleach the pumpkin, then...
Do you have to bleach it?
Yes, otherwise it'll rot.
Whoosh!
Yes.
I was like, we're gonna make some pumpkin pancakes today with the inside.
No, you won't. But I love this method because it's quite simple. This is an Oasis, like, I guess you could say like sphere ball. And you can buy this at your local Michael's or Joann's or Hobby Lobby.
Hey, watch this, guys. I'm so talented. Bloop. It looks like one of those Shriner people.
So typically, Oasis is wet because you want your flowers to live longer. But if we're just doing a quick centerpiece that we're just gonna use for the day of, it doesn't need to be wet. Now, if you wanted this to last a couple weeks, then I would soak this first for 5 minutes and then put it on.
I am having a Friendsgiving this weekend, which I think you're coming to.
Yes.
And I think it'd be really cool if we used one for it. So like, should we soak it?
Soak it.
Okay. Now we just plop it on?
Yeah.
Okay.
There we go.
Oh, I like it. I just love it.
The next step really is adding in your flowers.
Okay,
so,
awesome. What do you suggest starting with for the flowers?
I like to start with my greenery first.
With your greenery,
yes.
Okay.
It gives it the length and the height, and then you can fill in with flowers.
Okay, and you kind of just trim to tiny pieces, or do you want to have it
I do
wider
long
at the bottom?
pieces first. Okay. So you just start sticking. You create the length that you want, and then you just kind of work around it. So I'm gonna go pretty long.
Yeah, I want you to tell everybody all about you.
All about me, okay.
Because I know you, but they don't know you, and I want them to know you.
So I do, you know, advertising, marketing, and creative design for a floral design firm in Annapolis, Maryland.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
But you live here still and do it.
Yeah, so I've been with that job for 5 years now.
Cool.
And I didn't have a floral-based job with them.
Okay.
But I think because being around them and watching their creativeness, I kind of learned a few things. I'm gonna incorporate a different type of green. And I might come back to those, but I like to make sure that I have different greens to give it different dimensions and colors and all that fun stuff.
Okay. You're a blogger too.
Yes, so.
That's how I met you, really.
Yes. So the journey to blogging was actually quite interesting. I've always loved taking, and you know, bloggers do more than take pretty pictures, but I've always loved, you know, documenting and taking pretty pictures, and my husband and I do travel a lot, so I always, you know, force him to do a photo shoot.
Yes.
We go.
How can people find you on Instagram? Because that's how I met you, on Instagram.
Yes, so on Instagram, it's actually the name of my blog. It's Lytton Avenue.
I love it. And what is that? What does that stand for? Like,
so that is the street of my husband and I's first home.
Oh,
so
I
it's
love
kind of
it.
like, you know,
what's your address and your social? So you're a blogger. What's your favorite thing to like blog about? Like, do you specify, or is it more lifestyle?
So I am a 100% firm believer that you can find positivity in any trial in life.
Amen, sister.
Not saying that crappy days will exist. They always will.
Sure.
But I think you can find the rainbow in them. So
girl, I love that. That should be a t-shirt. I'm serious.
I blog about that, but I also have a podcast.
What? That's right. I knew that. I just acted surprised, but I knew that.
It's all about people in the creative field.
That's cool.
And what they're doing and why they chose to be in the creative field. Why we, you know, film videos of doing pumpkin arrangements.
That's right. Well, it's because we getting crafty up in here.
These are mini pumpkins. You can literally buy them for like $1. They're adorable and they're tiny.
Or just put it in your purse. No, I'm just kidding. That was bad cut. I don't steal. I don't know why I said that.
Take the pointy part and you go to the bottom of the pumpkin and you kind of just poke a hole in him.
Okay.
But once you poke it with the pointy side, you actually turn it over to the square side.
And do you
and then the wire down? You just put it down the stick.
Oh, okay.
And I'm able to put him.
This is just mind blowing right now. because
and have him be part of my arrangement.
like how friggin' precious
Isn't that adorable?
is this? I cannot believe that we made these.
Aren't they so
They're
cute?
gorgeous. Yours is definitely more Instagram worthy / you could sell this, and mine's like, yo yo, happy fall y'all. Well, we had such a blast, and I hope you guys had a blast learning how to do this. We are linking below all the directions on our blog post how to do this, and then all of Natalie's information will be linked below too, so that you can follow her. And she's so inspirational, so she's someone you need to follow. Happy fall, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share it with all your friends so that they can make this too. Happy fall! And now we do this.
Now we do a boomerang.
Oh yeah, is this a boomerang?